In this video, I will show you how to connect your existing domain. Open settings, click on domains, click on connect existing domain, enter your domain name. Now you need to verify your domain. Log into your domain registrar, open the domains page. If you have multiple domains, select the one you want to connect and open its settings. Find the advanced DNS option. The first is using a DNS template. Only a few registrars offer this option. If you don't see this, you can manually enter the records. Now let's verify the domain. I forgot to add this, so let me do that. My domain has been successfully added and is now being verified. It may take up to 48 hours. As you can see, it is not yet successfully connected. We will check this later. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to add a payment method to your store.